Hello and welcome back to another outdoor adventure somewhere in Wisconsin. We're on public land today. We're on the Mississippi River. It is flooded. So we're in our boat. We're in a boat blind. I threw this boat blind together last year. You can check out that episode right up here on the top. But I threw this boat blind together last year for our 14-foot boat. Kind of made some changes over the week to make it work for our 16-footer that we bought this summer. You guys saw that. So it's worked okay. We got some things to work out of it. It's not grassed in. We just kind of look like a log in the woods, which is fine because there's lots of logs in the woods. It's been cold up north, cold, big storms west of us and northwest of us and a little bit north of us. We still don't quite have those north winds, which is what we would think would move the birds, but hopefully the weather moves them. Don't forget to check us out on Instagram, and you can also check us out at Midwest Waterfowl Flyway. It's on Facebook, so give us a look there if you would be so kind. Guys, welcome back to another one somewhere in Wisconsin. We're sitting in really deep water. Got two wood ducks down already. They came and landed right at first light, right at shooting time. There's a pond right there usually. It holds water all year. Low, right at us. What are these, geese? Right at us, Dad, right at us. Wait, kill him. Send Taylor. Fetch him up. Here.
Fetch him up.
Hip. Good boy.
Still alive. Fetch him up.
Here. Fetch him up, Taylor. Good boy. Fetch him up. You got that one?
Yeah. I think I got them both, didn't I?
Yeah, you shot them both. These geese. Right at us, Dad. Right at us. Wait. Kill him. You want me to take that goose? Here comes Taylor. Let's just
We're here, Taylor.
set this down for
We're
me.
here.
Good boy. Here's another woody right at us. Right at us, Dad. Don't move. Don't move, wood duck. I'm gonna shoot him. Right here. Oh no, I'll lose him. The ladder is right there. Good boy. Two geese. Dude, those geese came and sat right on us. Yeah, you shot them both.
I had my eye on them. I remember the last time we shot.
My action is sticking.
I just let them a little bit.
Yeah.
Peppered them both.
Yeah, you shot them good. Shot them dead.
That was fun.
That was
Taylor,
fun.
sit.
Well, I was saying, guys, welcome back to another one. We got two big old geese down. Are there any bands on those bad boys? Did you check for bands? And two wood ducks down so far. Haven't seen a mallard yet. Right here. I don't want he'll go back there and we'll lose it. You know what I mean?
We could have shot at that one.
Yeah, I just didn't want him to go on the other side of this tree and then we got to take the boat out and go get it. You know? If we shoot them right out in front here, they float right into this
And then they were
right
both
here low. Here they come, they're decoying.
Sit.
Here, two more right here. Oh, right back there. Two more right here.
They're all going back in there.
They going back there too, or are they turning?
They're going
Flying right here.
Oh, big under.
He like dodged it. You don't have any shells then?
You gotta be kidding me.
No bird. You're okay. No bird.
Sit.
No bird.
Yeah, my gun didn't go off.
The action's wide open. Right here. Oh,
Dropped in
Jesus.
there.
He did?
Yep.
I thought he was going to swing right in front of us again. Can you pull that tarp over the side of the boat over there more?
Here?
No, over that up, but On the other side over there?
Here?
The one that's on the front.
Yeah.
Pull it, no, over the front, like the side of the boat. There you go. There's white. Roll! What? 3 of them just flew right out.
Shit, Taylor.
Oh, right above us. That one's gonna land. They're all turning.
Quiet a minute. Did they turn around?
They're right above us. Don't move. Right here. Right here. He's gonna land.
Shit. Take him. Take him.
We almost shot a limited geese. One limited geese. You almost shot your limited geese.
Whatever. Yeah, I'm surprised you didn't drop that one right there.
I mean, I had it. I put it right on his nose, like just a little bit off in front of him. I'm surprised. I was actually surprised he didn't fall either, to be honest.
How many times you shoot?
2, because I only had 2 shells in my gun. I'm a mess this morning.
Why are you a mess this morning?
I don't know. Can't hit. We gotta buy some more. Nice, he's dead.
You see him?
Yeah, I see him.
Is he dead? Put another one in him.
I can't see him, but there's a bunch of brush right there, and I think he's gonna be stuck in it.
Sit. Taylor won't find him, will he?
No. Do we want to drive over there again?
He's stone cold dead.
I think he is, and I think he's just gets stuck in that brush right there.
All
Nice shot. You're on fire!
right. 3 wood ducks. These 2.
Yeah, I'm saying you. I shot one of the wood ducks this
Why?
morning. You shot 2 wood ducks and a goose and 2 geese now. Right here, decoys.
You missed him.
You hear me say, that's definitely your duck over there, sitting on the water?
Yeah.
Looks like a really nice drake. You folded him. You're on fire.
Yee!
That's how you get a shirt made. Just yee! Yee! With the duck setting behind it. Right here, Dad.
Fetch him up, Taylor.
Fetch him up!
Fetch him up.
Fetch him up! Good boy.
Fetch him up.
Sweet.
Fetch him up. Fetch him up.
Good boy. Strong current. Dude, he was gonna sit down right in the decoys too. He hooked. He came right over. He hooked.
Good shot. You got that rag again?
For your glasses?
Yeah.
Can you use your sweatshirt hood or no? Otherwise I can get it out of my bag.
I ain't gonna worry about it.
I can give you the one out of my bag. I just don't want to get it too dirty.
No, I'm not gonna worry about it. I'm shooting so good I can shoot right through anything.
4 wood ducks and 2 geese.
Should have had 3 geese.
Should have had 3 geese, yeah, for sure.